Guys, this is my perfect breakfast burrito with spicy salami, egg, cheese and mushrooms. This is a stunning recipe made in 10 minutes and it's a great way to start the day. Watch this video until the end, you will enjoy it. It's outstanding. Guys, we're doing a breakfast burrito this morning. I've got a tortilla, some chestnut mushrooms, some potato, some fresh basil, some salami, 1 egg, some Parmesan, some cheddar cheese and some sun-dried tomatoes. Right, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to start by just dicing up my chestnut mushrooms. I love mushrooms because they just soak up flavours and they're just great texture and they add meatiness to all dishes. I've got this Hungarian salami which you've seen me use quite often, and I'm just going to cut this into long strips at an angle just for texture. Okay, let's go straight in the pan with some olive oil and straight in with our mushrooms and our salami. And what's going to happen is that salami is going to kind of release all the fat and the flavour that it's got in it, and those mushrooms are going to soak it all up. And that's why I love mushrooms. Just let these slowly do their thing. Touch of pepper just for the mushrooms, sprinkling the salt. You don't want to over season here because the salami's got loads of flavour. Right, just let those do their thing for a moment while I just prepare the rest of my ingredients. Let's get 1 egg ready. I'm going to whip up this egg, and I have got some potatoes which I cooked earlier for another dish. I'm just going to slice these up, and these are going to sit in my burrito. Perfect, nice and simple. Right, let's check up on our saute. Smells amazing. I've got some of my sun-dried tomatoes here which everybody knows I love. And these are just going to add a bit of tang and a bit of texture to the dish, a bit of colour. Bit of sweetness. Slice these up nice and small so they can get a little bit in every bite. Because when it comes to sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit goes a long way because they're so rich and sweet and tangy. Well, our mushrooms and our salami are done. So I'm just going to take these off the heat and leave them to one side while I cook my egg. I'm cooking my egg in the fat that was released from that salami. We go straight in with our egg. Just going to stir it around slightly. Depends how you like your egg cooked. I don't like it too wet, I like it medium. Some people like their eggs super wet and runny. Right, this looks done. And if you look at the colour on the egg, it's picked up like almost like a reddish orangey tint from the bacon, from the salami fat. Right, egg is going to go straight onto our tortilla. Yeah, perfect. I'm going to leave that pan on the heat for now because we're going to come back to that. Right, eggs on. First thing I'm going to do is just give it a nice dusting of some cheddar cheese. It's a burrito, so it needs to be nice and cheesy. Just a touch of Parmesan. We'll have more of this afterwards. Just a hit of pepper. We're going to go straight in with our mushrooms and salami. Right, that looks really sexy, that does. Straight off. And then we're going to go ahead and add some of our potato, which was made earlier. Wonderful. And then we're going to top it with some of our beautiful nuggets of sun-dried tomato. Right, let's give this another hit of cheese. Parmesan, and I'm going to go in with my cheddar cheese. So we're going to wrap this up nicely, and I'm going to show you how this is done. The trick is just to get this all like this. Right, we just kind of let it go like this, and then you know it's going to fall out the other side, but you're going to catch it, and you're going to go like this. And just tuck in any sides, and that is how you wrap up a burrito. Now that's going to go straight into my pan, and I'm going to let that toast up, and I'm just going to kind of move it around so it kind of picks up all of that fat from the salami and all that flavour. It's looking good, and I'm just going to give this a flip. Perfect. And again on the other side, I'm just going to move it around. I always toast my burritos. It just tastes so much better. Right, let's take this off the heat and onto our board. Let's let it rest there for a quick second or two. Okay, let's slice into this now. And we're just going to go at a diagonal. And there you have it. Beautiful. Outstanding. And we're going to finish this off with a nice dusting of Parmesan cheese. Just a garnish of some fresh basil, just to top it off. And there you have it, that's my perfect egg, spicy salami, mushroom, potato and cheese breakfast burrito. Outstanding. Guys, I've got a long day ahead of me, so I'm going to get stuck in and enjoy my breakfast. Before I go, if you enjoyed this content, if you're enjoying our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notifications, and if you want us to try a specific recipe, then leave it in the comments below. I promise you I'll do that. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious.